We like to think we know this planet. We've mapped the mountains, named the trenches, and spent trillions trying to find a single drop of water on Mars. But while we were looking in the stars, we missed the fact that the Earth is literally holding its breath. New data suggests that deep within the mantle, trapped inside the very rock of this planet, there is enough water to fill our oceans 45 times over. We aren't living on a blue marble. We're living on a thin, dry crust floating on a secret, infinite sea. This isn't a giant underground lake with fish and sunshine. It's trapped in a mineral called ringwoodite, a blue rock that acts like a sponge under unimaginable pressure. It's been down there for billions of years, invisible and silent. But lately, the Earth has started to twitch. We're seeing impossible earthquakes happening hundreds of miles down, in places where the rock should be too soft to snap. The mantle is moving, the water is shifting, and for the first time in human history, we're realizing that the surface we call home is just a tiny, fragile island. Imagine the scale of it. Every drop of water in the Atlantic, the Pacific, and every river on Earth is just a rounding error compared to what's locked in the deep. If even a fraction of that water ever decided to come back to the surface, the Great Flood wouldn't just be a legend, it would be the end of the map. We're so proud of our fleets and our navies, but we're essentially playing in a puddle on top of a reservoir that could swallow us without noticing. So the next time you look at the ocean and feel small, just remember, that's only 2% of the water this planet is hiding. The rest is beneath you, waiting for the Earth to exhale. Subscribe to the archive. Stay dry while you can.